see what this wind is like once we get out into the channel, because it's a little bit...
Yeah, it's fairly stiff.
Well,
the trees are starting to wag a little bit to come up. You're right. It's like to be upwards of 10 knots from the north, but diminishing through the day. And then looking at windy, the diminishment seems to happen very closely to now.
I've seen it a lot worse than that, but I still wouldn't want to go through it.
This is 10 Mile Point, and the gap between the headland and Chatham Island forms Baines Channel. And at this location, the water is constricted and creates some fairly strong currents. Looking across to Chatham Island, we could see whitecaps forming on the northern shore. So rather than risking a bumpy crossing over to circumnavigate, we decided to cut across the mouth of Cadbury Bay. However, there was a yacht race going on, and so we went to the marshalling boat just to check when it would be safe to cross.
Across here safely? Should we wait here and then head before trying to get across, or? Okay.
We waited until the tail end of the race had cleared before making our way across the rest of the bay in somewhat choppy seas and towards Cattle Point and then onwards to Willow Beach before reversing our track and heading back to Cadbury Bay where we had started.